You just turned on your heat pump and it's in Celsius. In this video, I'm going to show you how to change it from Celsius to Fahrenheit. The first thing to do is turn on the heat pump. Some controllers have a dedicated temperature scale button. In my case, I don't. So if you look at the swing button here on my remote, underneath it I have a C and an F for Celsius and Fahrenheit. Pressing this button and holding it for 5 seconds will change it from Celsius, which is the default, to Fahrenheit. You heard that beep, and now if you look at the remote you can see that it's showing Fahrenheit instead of Celsius. So now both the temperature on the remote and on the blower unit itself is showing the temperature in Fahrenheit. If you decided that somehow you want Celsius instead of Fahrenheit, pressing that swing button and holding it in for 5 seconds will revert from Fahrenheit back to Celsius. I'm showing you this procedure on an LG heat pump. This is the model number for the remote, but most heat pumps operate the same way. Usually they don't have a dedicated button. You have to find the button that has the C and the F and then go ahead and press it for 5 seconds, and that will change it from Celsius to Fahrenheit. I hope this video has been informative, and if it has, put a comment, leave a like, and make sure you subscribe for more. I will leave this on here, these directions, so you can pause and change it from Celsius to Fahrenheit. Don't forget to subscribe for more great videos.